Alright, so we're going to go over how to play Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. So I'll just walk through all of the chords for each section and how to play them, and then we'll kind of put everything together. So the one thing that you can try with this is using the pedal a little bit. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to lift the pedal and replace it every time you play a chord. But for now I'm just going to show you how to play the chords. So we've got A, and the way you're going to be playing this is you're going to play with your pinky on A with your right hand. Your pinky on A with your left hand, and then your thumb on A with your right hand, and with your right hand you're going to be playing all of the chords. So those will be 3 notes at a time. Alright, so in the bass you've got A, so the note A, and then your chord that you're playing on every other half a beat is A, C sharp, and E. So, and you do that. The other chord you're going to be playing is D, so you're going to go up to your index finger, your second finger, with your left hand, and you're going to jump up, use the same 3 fingers on D, F sharp, and A. So that's D, F sharp, and A. And that's the section, the refrain section. Then for the verses, you start on the A chord again, so it's the same note, same chord, and same pattern. Except instead of going to D this time, we're going to go up to E. So you're going up to E, which is underneath your thumb, but the same thing, same 3 fingers, thumb, middle finger, and pinky on E, G sharp, and B. Let me go back down. So we've got rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun, 3 little birds perched by my doorstep. So after the E we go back to the A, and then we go to the D. Singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. So the other chord we've got is that D, F sharp, A, just like in the verse. So I'll play each chord and each bass note, and then I'll play through the verse and the chorus so you can hear what it sounds like. So we've got A, and that pattern repeats over and over. Then we have D, which is D in the bass, D, F sharp, A up top. That's all we have in the choruses. Then in the verses we go A. Then we have E, E in the bass, E, G sharp, and B with our right hand. Back to A. So that's A, then A, C sharp, and E again. And then we go up to D, which is D, F sharp, and A. Alright. So that's kind of our chord inventory here. Now I'm going to put it all together. And the intro, we play through that 2 times. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then the voice comes in right after the 4. So it's like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun, 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. So what I would do is I would get used to the chords by themselves first and really focus on that, and don't worry about singing it. And the thing with chords is make sure that you're keeping your fingers nice and round. And you can do the finger strengthener exercise that we've done before if you need to get your fingers nice and ready for playing those chords. Just make sure you keep your hands nice and round and your wrists high. All right, that's it.